everyone. A process of telling the truth, not cheating. Always be on the right side. Not telling, no betrayal. That process, that quality is what we call honest. Today we'll be talking about honest. Yes, it is very good for us to know that as a few child, we need to be honest in everything you're doing. Be honest in whatever you're doing. Be honest in anything you are doing. Why do we say be honest? When you see people that are honest, you see that things goes well for them. Being a truthful person, it gives joy. Though people look down on you, sometimes people say you are JJC. People don't want to like people that are honest. They only like you when you are doing business with them. They will refer people to you. But being honest is a very hard thing, especially in this country right now. Being honest. But why am I coming to this? Until we know that in every family, we need to be honest in our home. Honest in our relationship. What are we treating here? Good relationship that brings a good, successful family. If you are honest in every relationship you are, that relationship as a child, be honest to your parents. That relationship as you are courting, be honest to your partner. Be honest to your fiancé. That relationship as a business partner, you need to be honest. Honest is supposed to be something that comes out without people demanding for it. You don't need to be a conscious of it. It should be a lifestyle. Then there are attributes of honest. And when we talk about one of the attributes of honest is obedience. Your obedience, are you obedient in your family? Are you obedient among your assemblies? Are you obedient to your friends? Obedience is one of the attributes. The characters, things that show that you are honest person. They will call you, and send you to this. You will not, without checking the consequences, without checking what the outcome, what you do, you obey. That means you are honest. Honest person is being loved. Anywhere you are, people will love you because you are honest. Honest person in business, people love you. Though you may not start making money immediately you enter, but once you begin to make name, money comes in. People know that you are honest. I know one of my in-law, when he is a mechanic, when he was a mechanic, people give him car because they know, let your car sleep there. He will not take more than what he wants to take. He will not change the price because of you. He will do it and return it without taking something. The man is honest. And when he switched to business, people run to his business up till today just because of his honest. I have a man who also repairs, an engineer who repairs my gen. The man is honest. When he tell you that this thing, you have to do it, this is the way you will do it. Just do it that way. You will take it. The money he demands isn't up till now. It's not what others are demanding. Honest is a very good character. If you don't have this character, please run and have it. Another attribute of honest is you are going to be a role model. People talks about you. People loves you. They love to come close to you. People refer people to you because you're a role model.